All right, traders, let's get right on into this. If it looks like my eyes are bugging out, it's because my screen is, 2.5, 3 feet away. So I have to kind of squint and open my eyes at the same time to look. All right, we're going to end the day nicely green. Just one trade on the live account in the micros, but we crushed it in the Buell Knox account and in the my funded eval. Looking good. Let's just pull up the, let's just do the 45-minute here. It's the easiest way to see this. As we said, every single day, even Sunday, right? We're in position one. All right, so now all the targets are being hit. All right, so how did we trade today? Well, let's take a look. Up, 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 and up, right? There was no shorts. We went into all-time highs early, okay? And then as we were, there was some micros shorts, but I like I told the chat, I did not want to get any leverage going, right? No 50 times leverage until we were able to prove that the buyers have stepped back in. So the only time I got to trade long was right here, okay, to 86.25, right? Other than that, I got long here in the micros, I got short here in the micros, played around the micros, and then waited for the perfect setup, took a long. I did very well, 7 points. Well, I did a lot more than that, 10 points. There's all the trades. There's all the trades that I take, right? Full disclosure, okay? Okay, so how did we play it? Well, we drill down, right? Fractal. And the 5-minute was in control for the rest of the day. All right, we're going to leave it right there. Very simple. I want to see everyone tomorrow live, 8 a.m. on YouTube. Folks, listen to me. This is the trillion, with a T, $1 trillion algo. This is the $1 trillion algo, not $1 billion algo. That's old news, right? Because I'm going to make $1 billion with it. So if it's $1 billion, if I'm going to make $1 billion, that means it's got to be $1 trillion algorithm, right? Because I'm going to shoot for the stars. I'm going to shoot for $1 trillion, make $1 billion. Now, the reason that I say this is like anything. This is not like anything I've ever seen. Okay, and what I mean by that is, if you understand context and you can trade level to level, and you have something that tells you when to trade level to level, they're going to take this back up. They got me at 80. I knew my stop was in a shitty place, but I can't do anything about it, because I was supposed to get out at 86.25. So all we got to do is just be patient, right? And it'll tell us when to trade, right? So what you wait for is, well, what happens if it blows through 6444? Okay, well, either it's going to the next level, 6489, or it's going to go back to the level that it was created from. Okay, now leaving it with that, what we're looking at tomorrow is, are we going to be above or below this line before or after PPI? That's going to do it for me. Okay, we're going to make this, listen, every single day we make this fun and easy. Here's the deal. If trading is not fun and easy for you, that means you need a coach. It means you have a lack of data, which gives you a lack of confidence. We call it load lock. Now, the last thing, Buell Knox, 83% off certain evals. If you like to trade on Rhythmic, NinjaTrader has an excellent plugin now. I've had no problems on a live account. I've had no problems on a funded account. And so Buell Knox, the code is SageFT83 at checkout. SageFT83 at checkout. Or you could just click the link that we will provide in the description below. That's going to do it for me. I'll see you tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Good night.